first exercise of this season. Start tractor rally. I mean, Father was with us always and always. I mean, he has blessed. He has said prayers that आमका वर्सा कोई double the success than next year next. And we hope, we are so glad to see all the farmers who have come here, gathered here today. Inaugural exercise, you can say. So all the best to everybody, and thanks to Father especially